So this question is a short question. It looks like it's going to be a simplified question. So let's jump in and simplify this. It says, what is the real value of x in the equation log base 2 24 minus log base 2 of 3 equals log base 5 of x? So I'm going to write this down. Log base 2 of 24 minus log base 2 of 3 equals log base 5 of x. So a couple of things. So we have logarithm rules, which tells us that I can condense this difference of logs that have the same base and condense it into a quotient. So log base 2 of 24 minus log base 2 of 3 is equivalent to log base 2 of 24 divided by 3. So then I have log base 2 of 24 divided by 3. Well, 24 divided by 3 is equivalent to 8. So that would turn into log base 2 of 8. Well, log base 2 of 8 is equivalent to 3. So that entire left-hand side of the equation is now 3. Okay. Now, looking to solve for x, I have this logarithmic equation. I can use the conversion. I can go from log. I can convert from log to exponential form to get x. So when we do that, we just take the base, which is 5. We raise it to the power of the answer, right? So power, which is 3. And then we set it equal to this x here, right? So 5 to the third equals x. This is the equivalent to this statement. This is in logarithmic form, and this is in exponential form, okay? So 5 to the third power equals x. Well, 5 to the third power is 125, so 125 equals x. Therefore, our answer is choice J. So there's obviously a lot of knowledge here, right? You have to know how to condense logarithms. You have to remember the rules with that. But you could also bypass a lot of that by using your calculator. And of course, then you have to know how to use your calculator, how to have a base of 2 for the logs. But you could definitely plug this into a calculator and figure out that that's equal to 3, right? So you can definitely get as far as saying 3 equals log base 5x, at which rate you could then use a plug-in answer strategy, right, where we just continue to replace x with 3, and then 21, and then 72, and then 125, which would be the answer, right? 243, we wouldn't have to try that, but if you wanted to try it, once we plug each of these in for x, we'll find the one, right, that gives us 3 as an answer, right? The one that makes this statement true.